In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram issue when you cannot message to anyone and any user cannot message to you. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then tap right here to head over to our Instagram profile. Once it is done, as you can see down below my picture, it says professional dashboard. It means that currently my Instagram profile turned to professional profile, and if you got the professional dashboard too, tap right here at three lines, select settings and privacy, then enter creator tools and controls, and that's where you can easily find minimum age. Get into it. As you can see, it is set to 21, so now it requires people to be at that age to see my account, including my profile, posts and stories, and also this number limits users who can send me messages. If there is some number here, all you have to do is just tap right there at remove and then tap at done. That's how you can easily fix that issue. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.